The history of Autel Diagnostics is a foundation of success built on ingenuity, an evolution of design and functionality. Ultra is the future. Intelligent diagnostics, a larger tablet for multi-window operation. Maximize your intelligence with powerful hardware. Faster analysis and expanded data storage. Meet busy repair demands with a substantial battery capacity. HD dual cameras capture every detail. Dual Wi-Fi connection to the VCMI device and a wireless network simultaneously for faster diagnostics. The MaxiFlash VCMI is more powerful than ever. Multi-channel simultaneous analysis to test components and confirm repairs. New protocols to support the vehicles of today and tomorrow. Expanded passenger and increasing commercial vehicle coverage. Complete diagnostic detection, system analysis, and repair confirmation in one tool. 5-in-1 combination, vehicle communication and measurement interface. Easier oscilloscope operation with built-in preset guided tests for operation and analysis. Faster system communication malfunction detection using OBD2 CAN bus check. Ultra, smarter than ever. Faster VIN scan recognition for vehicle identification. New topology module mapping of CAN bus tree with color-coded module status for faster full system diagnostic results. Ultra Intelligent Diagnostics provides direct access to OE-related TSBs, recalls, and service campaigns. Repair Assist diagnostic guidance is designed to support from DTC to diagnostic analysis to repair recommendation options easily and efficiently. Ultra MaxiFix, more efficient than ever. Search multiple options of DTC-based repair advice by relevant cases or repair tips, video and document libraries. Providing direct access to top-ranked repair recommendation from industry pros. Everything you have been waiting for. This is Ultra.